Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Support your favorite candidate in the Mr. Earth International Pageant 2024 by casting your vote during the highly anticipated swimwear photoshoot segment. This is a unique opportunity for you to make a difference in the competition by helping your chosen candidate stand out on the global stage. To ensure your vote is counted, you must follow the official Mr. Earth International Pageant account. Following the account not only validates your vote but also provides you with exclusive access to updates, announcements, and behind-the-scenes content throughout the pageant. You'll be able to witness the journey of the candidates as they arrive to become the next Mr. Earth International. The swimwear photoshoot is a critical part of the competition where candidates demonstrate their dedication to fitness, confidence, and poise. And each participant has put in extensive effort to prepare for this moment, showcasing their best of physique and personality. Voting in this round is more than just a show of support. It's a way of recognize and reward the hard work and determination of your favorite candidate. Whether you're rooting for a candidate from your own country or another, your vote is a powerful tool that can propel them forward in the competition. Whether you're rooting for a candidate from your own country or another, your vote is a powerful tool that can propel them forward in the competition. Every vote counts, and your involvement adds to the excitement and international camaraderie that the Mr. Earth International Pageant embodies. And don't miss this chance to be part of the action. Review the stunning swimwear photos, follow the official account, and cast your vote. Your support could be the key to helping your favorite candidate achieve the recognition they deserve in the Mr. Earth International Pageant 2024. See you in the finals of Mr. Earth 2024, August 17, 2024 in the city of Santa Marta, Colombia. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!